Hi guys, do you ever think about how a website is created? In this video, you'll learn about basic HTML. So, what is HTML? It is a programming language that helps you to create a structure for your website. Before we start, please take note that I am using Visual Code Studio, which is VS Code. Alright, let's get started. This is VS Code. First of all, click Add New File and name it indexed.html. Do note that in every you type later, it will generate /. This is a closing, so please do not delete it. In the first line, type doctype HTML. Then you will need to type HTML. In every HTML code, you will have a body and head, so don't forget to type head and body. As mentioned before, please don't delete the closing. And now, in head part, you can insert your title. Type title. For now, I will use tutorial as the title. Click right-click and click Open with Live Server. This will make your website visible. You can press Ctrl+S to save your progress in HTML, and now, you should be able to see it in the live server, which is on your right. And now, I will introduce you about HTML basic tags H1 to H6. They are headings with a different size, H1 biggest, H6 smallest. Secondly, P is a paragraph tags. If you want some sample text to type inside a paragraph text, you can type lorem and press tab. So you can add as many paragraph you want. Next is pre-tags. Pre-tags means preformatted text. You can type BR. What is BR? It is a line break. Now, I have deleted all the H2 to H6. Between H1 type basic HTML or any others word you can think of. This is HR tags. It generate a horizontal line. You can add line break tags too. This is a comment. It only can see by you and coders. It won't be run as a script. Alright, this is all about this video. Follow my next video to learn more further about web development. Thanks for watching.